Let's walk through how to send a quick alert from the Indition Alerts mobile app. So from the login screen here, we'll just log in. Then on the dashboard, we'll see the option to create a quick alert. You can click that icon there, or in the navigation menu, you can click on Create Quick Alert. The options here are the same as if you're sending out an alert from the browser application. First, you're going to choose who you want to send the alert to, whether that be all contacts in your account or select the contact lists. You can select multiple here. I only have one, so I'll just select that one. Then we want to choose how we want to send the message, whether we want to send a text message, an email, or a text-to-voice message. So for this one, let's just send a text message. Again, you can choose all three. We'll just do text. Now for messages, you can add a new message and create the message on the fly, or you can choose from existing as well. In this account, I don't have any existing messages, so I can't select from those. So I'll add a new message, and let's just say, this is a demo message. And then that's it. I've satisfied all requirements to send out my alert. What this is going to do is send a text message to all the contacts with a subscribed phone number in the selected contact list and send them a text with this content. Click Send Alert, and you're done. And that is how we create Quick Alert in the Indition Alerts mobile app.